Hi beauties, so let's jump into doing this video. I've already did my brow. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hill Brow Wigs in the shade Ebony to do my brow. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to cancel the darkness on my lid and also to use it as eyeshadow base. If you don't have darkness on your eyelid, you can skip this and apply eyeshadow primer. But because of the darkness, I need to do something about it. Can you now see the difference? And if I don't do this, the color of the eyeshadow will not be as bright as I want it. I have oily lid, so I need to set it so that, the eyeshadow will not crease. If you have dry skin, you can skip this method and apply your eyeshadow direct. But for people that has oily skin, please set that concealer. So after that, like I said, this is soft glam look. I'm not going to use eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. I'm going to use it, apply it all over my lid to add as eyeshadow. One thing with makeup, you can multitask your products. For example, I can use my blush that I put on my cheek as my eyeshadow. And then you blend to avoid any harsh line. Soft glam, everything has to be soft. We are not doing anything bold. That is why it is called soft glam. So after applying the bronzer on my eyelid, as you can see, it just warm up the lid. I'm going to use this, my Adele Natural Multi-Pack Lashes and then Dual Lash Glue, okay? So the lashes are fixed. So I will be using some of the MAC haul that I reviewed in my last video. So I am using the MAC Studio Fix Matte Shine Primer. I have oily skin, so I need to prime. I need to prime my face so that my makeup will last all day. I'm going to use brush to apply them. You can use your hand. But my hands are oily and I don't want to transfer the oil on my face. And this primer instantly takes away the shine on your face, as you can see. So after the primer, I'm going to use my MAC Pro Long Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I reviewed it in my last video. It is the only foundation that I use during the summertime. And I'm using the shade NC50. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to use my Sephora foundation brush to blend. So I'm going to stipple the foundation. Instead of dragging it down, I am stippling because I want to have enough coverage. Can you see this foundation, how it blended? You cannot even see a line of demarcation between my neck and the foundation. Can you see? MAC Cosmetics should keep eating my money. It is a tested and trusted brand. I'm telling you, somebody said that I am promoting MAC. I love them because they never disappoint. So I am using my Kelvin Akon Skin Enhancer in the shade SX12. So this is how the concealer look. And with this concealer, girl, you have to be careful, not too much, because it is a full coverage concealer, as you can see. So a little goes a long way. And with soft glam, you don't want to, have that very bright highlighted areas. You want to make it, to be moderate. And that is why they call it soft glam. Don't make it too bright. As you can see, it is just blending into my skin. The concealer is a full coverage. Can you see how it blended like butter into my skin? Ooh! Please tell me in the comment section, do you get excited anytime you are doing your makeup? Because your sister gets so extremely excited whenever I am doing my makeup. Oh, God. Can you see how it blended? Ooh. I am using this MAC 195 concealer brush just to get the inner corner. So after blending the concealer, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup to set my under eyes. So I'm going to set the whole of my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in that deepest. And I'm also going to use the powder to dust my setting powder. So after that, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty bronzer, okay, to bronze my face a bit. We want to bring back warmness to our face. Even though it is a soft glam, but we still don't want to leave our face looking flat. So we want to bring that dimension, that warmness. So after that, I'm going to use my MAC Raisin on my cheek. I'm applying it on top of the bronzer. So I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus Stay Over all over my face. So after the setting spray has settled on my face, I'm going to use my MAC Chestnut lip pencil and then my MAC Retro liquid lipstick in collaboration with Rosalia in the shade Jalia. Yes, these are the two that I'm going to use. So at this point, if you like, you can add a lip gloss on top of it, but I am not a glossy type. So I'm going to apply my MAC Iridescent powder in the shade Golden Bronze. There is no how I would do my soft glam without, adding some shine to my face. It brings the looks together. So I'm going to spray once again. So beauties, this is the final look. My soft glam makeup tutorial. Everything is soft. Like I said, you can add gloss to the lips, but I decided to leave it matte. Yeah. So, what do you all think? Do you love this look? And if you do, write it in the comment section. Tell me, oh, Beauty by NG, you did great. I am feeling myself. Okay? I am feeling myself. I decided to have a side part with this hairband wig. Yeah. So, this is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give my video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and please, 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 please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye. I am feeling myself. I am feeling myself. I am feeling myself. Okay, guys. Bye. See you next.